Hi guys, it's Candice Kumai and welcome to my hotel room. So I always pack with my good old Citizens of Humanity high-waisted Chrissy Jean and Ray-Bans. Those are a must. These are really cute swimsuits. This is a spiritual gangster one. You can wear it as a bodysuit or a swimsuit, so I double pack one item for two different ways. Usually the underwear and the socks go inside of the hat to help consolidate. There's so many other essentials. Body oil. This is like a body butter that smells like Kai oil, which I love. It's 2-in-1. And then if I'm in a rush, these Starskin like all-in-one pads will really help to clean your face off and look fabulous. And then when you're on your flight or right before, if you need to chill, you can do a spritz of HERBIVORE Rose with hibiscus. Life is so much better.